What separates a regular clean home from one that gleams like a luxury resort? Professional hotel cleaners possess techniques most folks have never heard of, methods that could revolutionize how you maintain your living space. These aren't complicated tricks requiring expensive equipment. They're simple, proven strategies that deliver exceptional results every single time. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, where Marcus brings you practical wisdom that actually works. If you appreciate learning better ways to keep your space pristine without breaking your back or your budget, hit that subscribe button right now. Ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips. Your future self will thank you for discovering these game-changing methods today. Let's unlock the professional secrets that transform ordinary homes into spotless sanctuaries. Cleaning secret number 1, the directional cleaning pattern. Most people randomly attack different areas, creating chaos and wasting precious energy. Hospitality professionals follow a specific movement pattern that guarantees thorough coverage without redundant effort. The technique involves starting at the highest point in any room. That means ceilings, light fixtures, and upper shelving, then systematically working downward. Simultaneously, move consistently from one side of the space to the other, maintaining a steady horizontal progression. Why does this matter? Gravity pulls dust and debris downward. When you clean upper surfaces first, particles naturally fall to lower areas you haven't tackled yet. This prevents the frustrating experience of re-cleaning the same spots multiple times. Consider your bathroom as an example. Begin by addressing ceiling corners where cobwebs accumulate. Move to cabinet tops, then mirrors and countertops, progressing steadily downward until you finish with baseboards and floors. Maintain your left to right or right to left direction throughout each horizontal level. This organized approach eliminates guesswork and ensures no spot gets overlooked. You'll finish faster while achieving superior results compared to random cleaning patterns. Before we continue revealing more professional secrets, take 5 seconds to show your support. Click that thumbs up button if you're finding value in these tips. Share this video with someone who could benefit from a cleaner, healthier home. Comments are always welcome. Marcus reads every single one and loves hearing about your cleaning victories.
Cleaning secret number 2, the color-coded fabric method. Cross-contamination represents one of the biggest invisible problems in home maintenance. Using a single rag throughout your entire house spreads bacteria from toilets to kitchen counters, creating potential health hazards you cannot see. Luxury establishments prevent this issue through designated fabric assignments. Different colored materials serve specific purposes, creating clear boundaries that protect household members from harmful microorganisms. Here's the breakdown. Reserve one color exclusively for general dusting and everyday surfaces in living areas. Assign a second color specifically to bathroom counters, sinks, and tubs, everything except the commode itself. Designate a third color solely for toilet cleaning, never allowing it near any other surface. Finally, keep a fourth color reserved for kitchen zones and anywhere food preparation occurs. This system eliminates confusion and provides instant visual confirmation that you're using the appropriate tool. No mental effort required, just grab the correct color and proceed with confidence. There's an additional technique that extends the usefulness of each cloth dramatically. Rather than using the entire surface at once, fold your cleaning fabric into quarters. This creates 8 usable sides. When one section becomes soiled, simply refold to expose a fresh surface. You'll complete more cleaning with fewer materials, reducing laundry loads while maintaining hygiene standards. When laundering these cloths, skip fabric softener entirely. Those products coat fibers with chemicals that reduce absorbency, defeating the purpose of microfiber materials. Wash in hot water with regular detergent, then air dry or use low heat settings.
Cleaning secret number 3, the minimal spray technique for glass. Streaky mirrors and windows frustrate homeowners everywhere. The typical approach, spraying cleaner directly onto glass surfaces, actually causes the very problem people are trying to solve. Professional housekeepers use a completely different method that produces flawless, crystal-clear results every time. The key lies in where you apply the cleaning solution and how you spread it across the surface. Instead of misting your mirror or window, apply a small amount of glass cleaner onto your cleaning cloth. Use far less product than you think necessary, just a light dampening of the fabric. Then work across the glass using overlapping horizontal movements, starting from the top edge and progressing downward in organized rows. After completing the wet pass, immediately follow with a completely dry microfiber cloth using identical horizontal strokes. This two-step approach removes all residue without leaving lint, streaks, or smudges behind. Why does this work so much better? When you spray directly onto glass, excess liquid runs down the surface, pooling at edges and creating uneven coverage. This leads to streaking as the solution dries. By controlling product application through your cloth, you maintain perfect moisture levels for optimal cleaning without the mess. This same technique works brilliantly on stainless steel appliances, glass shower doors, and any reflective surface in your home.
Cleaning secret number 4, the containment method for fan blades. Ceiling fans accumulate astonishing amounts of dust. When you wipe those blades with traditional methods, you send particles flying everywhere, settling on furniture, floors, and surfaces you just finished cleaning. Minutes of work get undone instantly. Resort cleaning crews discovered an ingenious solution using a common household item, standard pillowcases. This approach traps dust completely while requiring minimal effort and zero special equipment. Simply slide an old pillowcase over each fan blade individually. Gently press the fabric against the top and bottom surfaces as you pull the case back toward yourself. All the accumulated dust gets captured inside the pillowcase rather than dispersing into your room. Once you've addressed every blade, carefully remove the pillowcase and shake its contents directly into your garbage bin. Toss the case into your washing machine, and you're done. The entire process takes minutes and leaves your fan immaculately clean without creating secondary messes. This technique works equally well on both standard-size blades and longer industrial-style fans. For extremely dusty fans, consider using 2 pillowcases per blade, one for the initial pass to capture heavy buildup and a second for final polishing. Don't forget to give Seniors Cleaning Hacks a subscribe if Marcus has already taught you something valuable today. Liking this video helps us reach more people who could benefit from these professional strategies. Your support means everything.
Cleaning secret number 5, the friction tool for pet hair removal. Animal lovers understand the constant battle against shed fur. Vacuum cleaners struggle with hair embedded deep in carpet fibers and upholstery. Even the most powerful machines often leave behind frustrating amounts of pet hair. Commercial cleaning teams rely on an unexpected implement that outperforms expensive vacuums for this specific challenge: rubber squeegees. The same tool designed for washing windows excels at extracting stubborn pet hair from fabrics. The rubber edge creates substantial friction against carpet and upholstery fibers. This physical interaction literally pulls trapped hair upward and outward, gathering it into clumps you can easily collect by hand or with a quick vacuum pass. Use firm, deliberate strokes in one direction across the affected surface. You'll witness impressive amounts of hair accumulating immediately. This method proves especially effective on stairs, furniture cushions, car interiors, and area rugs where pets frequently rest. For best results, work in sections and remove collected hair regularly, rather than attempting to cover large areas before cleanup. The squeegee technique works on virtually all fabric types, though it performs exceptionally well on medium pile carpeting and tightly woven upholstery.
Cleaning secret number 6, the aromatic steam approach. Steam cleaning harnesses high-temperature moisture to dissolve grime, eliminate bacteria, and refresh surfaces without harsh chemicals. Hospitality professionals enhance this already effective method by incorporating natural aromatics that boost cleaning power while leaving pleasant scents. Adding several drops of essential oils to your steam cleaner's reservoir creates multiple benefits. Eucalyptus oil provides natural antimicrobial properties while producing a crisp, clean fragrance. Tea tree oil delivers powerful antibacterial action. Lavender offers both pleasant aroma and additional sanitizing effects. This enhanced steam treatment works wonderfully on tile floors, grout lines, sealed stone surfaces, and even upholstered furniture. The combination of penetrating heat and natural antimicrobial compounds tackles dirt and germs simultaneously. Bathrooms and kitchens respond particularly well to this treatment. Steam penetrates tiny crevices where traditional mopping cannot reach, while the added essential oils provide lasting freshness that synthetic air fresheners cannot match. Important note: avoid using steam on unsealed hardwood, laminate flooring, or delicate antique furniture. The moisture and heat can damage these materials. Always verify your flooring type before steam cleaning to prevent costly damage.
Cleaning secret number 7, the inspection light technique. Even meticulous cleaning misses spots. Overhead lighting creates shadows that hide dust, smudges, and streaks invisible under normal conditions. Professional inspectors use a simple tool that reveals every imperfection: portable flashlights. After completing your regular cleaning routine, take a bright flashlight or your smartphone light and systematically scan every surface from various angles. Move the light source to create side illumination rather than overhead lighting. This dramatic angle reveals dust particles, fingerprints, and residue that escape notice under standard lighting conditions. Pay special attention to reflective surfaces like mirrors, glass tables, and appliances. Shine your light at sharp angles across these areas to spot streaks and smudges. Check baseboards, door frames, and trim work where dust accumulates but blends into shadowed areas. This final inspection pass allows you to address overlooked spots before they become noticeable to others. It takes only minutes but dramatically elevates your cleaning results from good to exceptional. These 7 professional methods represent decades of collective wisdom from the hospitality industry. Marcus and the entire Seniors Cleaning Hacks team believe every home deserves that 5-star presentation without requiring professional services. Implementing even 1 or 2 of these strategies will noticeably improve your results. Combining all 7 transforms your entire approach to household maintenance, delivering consistently superior outcomes with less wasted effort. Remember the directional cleaning pattern for efficiency. Use color-coded cloths for hygiene. Master the minimal spray glass technique for streak-free clarity. Employ the pillowcase method for dusty fans. Grab a squeegee for stubborn pet hair. Enhance steam cleaning with essential oils. Finish with the inspection light technique for guaranteed completeness. If you haven't already subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks, do it now. Marcus releases fresh, practical content every single week, all designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Hit that like button if this video delivered value. Share it with friends and family who take pride in their living spaces. What's your biggest cleaning challenge? Drop a comment below. Marcus personally reads every response and frequently creates videos addressing subscriber questions. Your input shapes future content that serves this amazing community. Thank you for spending this time learning professional secrets that truly make a difference. Until next week, keep your home sparkling and your spirits high. This is Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, reminding you that a clean home creates a peaceful mind.